Dalaga. Enggak kan?
Guys, kenapa dimarah?
First time ever hanging out with you. You brush past me in the hallway, and yet you say we'll never make my parents' mistakes. But she